All right, we'll do this highlight a little different today instead of just focusing on the OPP, which is a lot, very important tool. I do most of these highlights off of that. I want you to watch right in here what happens. The market's strong, it opens up strong, it makes an opening drive, higher type move. So you get a lot of people who are bullish fail to catch it on the open. All right. So you got to be careful shorting this thing and fading it. And you need some really good qualifiers before you start doing that. Now, watch when it rallies, I'll play it. We get two things that happen. Two big buy market orders right there. Two big buy market orders that came in. That's these two blocks, blue squares, and a bunch of longs that come in. But what does price do when it first gets introduced to these big buy market orders? Doesn't even hesitate. It comes right back off. Comes right back below it. Let me speed it up. And then it goes sideways. Okay. Another two come in. What's the difference between when these two came in, when this one comes in? Let me back it up a little bit. This one stays at the price, test the top of it, test the top of it. Longs come in, but then the shorts come in. All right. And then watch these next two that come in and the difference. Ah, shoot, I went too far. Still went too far. Let's go. All right, watch this. Too many shorts to get short in here. See that 250 lot come in? It just laughs at them right away. This other long comes in. I'm sorry, long, not long. Buy market order comes in, stays below them almost immediately. A little bit different than these. And this one stopped the rally. It just didn't curl it over. These two stopped it and sent it south. And you could see my cursor on the live screen coming in, telling people to watch it now. Then we start going lower. And I said, if we're going to go back up to test this high, all right, which I think we could do, now isn't the time because of all these longs that are coming in. And the market drift lower. So even if you're looking to buy this pullback for a retest of the highs, you're disqualifying it. And saving money is like making money. It's important to note. But I want you to look at this and say, this is the first clue that the price could be getting a little toppy. But when you see the reaction of these blues versus these blues, these slowed it down. But these you could quickly say got ignored, rejected. This buy market order got rejected. And you want to say that when you see it, not 5 points lower. Make sense? So when people talk about how to use order flow and how to read order flow, most of them don't know what the hell they're talking about. But reading order flow in part is the reaction price has to certain orders. It's the intent of orders. Are they buying to get long, selling to get short? But it's also the reaction between price and the order. It's a buy order. It's a big one. What does price do? If you're watching two people dance, are they doing what they should do? You could kind of tell that, right? But if he drops her, she bangs her head off the floor, you could pretty much say, nah, something went wrong. And that's when a big buy order comes in. Two of them come in and wham, price goes lower. What do you mean it went lower? Should have went higher. So you want to see the dance between price and some of the big buyers and sellers, in this case, big buyers.